Hey everyone, welcome back to Eiferer Home Automation. Today we're looking at SONOFF's new 10 amp switch, the 1GS. This one looks fancy, feels solid, and might just be smarter than your average relay or your average Cuban before coffee. The Basic Gen5 is a single channel 10 amp smart switch that connects over Wi-Fi, but here's the big deal. It's now Matter certified. That means it works not only with EV-Link, but directly with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, and Home Assistant. No extra bridges, no vendor lock-in, just one big happy smart home family. Finally, peace in the smart home universe. Now let's talk about one of my favorite features, the magic switch mode. This is SONOFF's version of off switch, stay online. Even if someone flips off a switch, your light device stays powered and connected. So you can still control the EV-Link app, voice assistant, or automations. Basically, your smart switch doesn't go dead because someone hit the switch. The Basic Gen 5 also features a large, easy-to-press top. It's not just a setup button anymore, it has full surface control. Perfect for quick manual control or that satisfying tap when you walk past. And of course, it's built-in fire retardant casing, surge protection, and a relay life of over 40,000 cycles. So yeah, it'll probably outlive your light bulb. Even if your internet decides to go on vacation, the Basic Gen 5 still works locally. You can get LAN control and even near-field control within 10 meters using EV-Link. Fast, stable, and private. No cloud delays, no spinning circles. Smart features. Get all the classic SONOFF functions. App and voice control, timers and schedules, scenes and group control. Basically, all the tools you need to automate lights, pumps, appliances. That makes your life a little more lazy. I mean, convenient. Once connected and once you go into the 1GS through your dashboard, you see the switch interface has been updated and different to the others. Pulse or the inching feature has been moved to the front page, which I particularly like. This switch has all the classic features that you expect in an EV-Link or SONOFF relay. Let's go through them. As with all products, you can set the name. Version is 1.02. The units we have come with 1.00, which doesn't have all the features shown here, so I would recommend upgrading to 1.02. Use the manual feature. When you banged your head against the wall enough times, then you turn to the user manual. Display as, we're going to set this to a light. Automatic updates, you can schedule updates here. I personally do not like this feature. I like to leave it disabled and update manually. This way, if something does go wrong, I know it's because of the update. Also, if something isn't broke, don't update it unless you really need a feature that the update offers. Third-party platforms, yeah, you can link it directly. I'm going to link one to Alexa. So I'm just going to select Alexa and link with Amazon Alexa. That easy. All right, let's assign our location. Let's put this bad boy in testing because that's where it lives. Sharing, this is where we share with other accounts. Let's create a group. We'll select both the 1GSs and we'll call this the 1GS group. LAN control, you can select this, turn this on and off if you want it to be available when the internet is down or not. I have found with LAN control off, it's a lot more smoother and less buggy. If your internet is solid and you never have downtime or hardly ever have downtime, turning this off is okay. If you have plenty of internet problems, keeping this on is a better option. Push notifications. This will send you a notification when the device changes state. I seriously recommend only using this for devices you really want to know if the state changes or not. Otherwise, you're going to get bombarded with notifications and you will start ignoring them. Offline alert, you'll get notified if the device becomes unavailable for longer than 5 minutes. Logs, you can see when a device was turned on and off. This is very underrated for troubleshooting. You can tell what or who is turning off a device at any given time. Quick run through the rest of the features. Network indicator light, you can turn that on and off. Power on state, if power is cut to the device, what state do you want it when the power returns? Inching mode, you can set it to automatically turn on or off after a specific period of time. Matter support, yeah, you can get a code to add the device to another Matter hub. Wi-Fi settings, you can change your Wi-Fi username and password, yeah. So to sum up, the SONOFF Basic 1GS is everything we love about the Basic R2 and Basic R4, just taking us into the Matter era. It's smart, platform friendly, and built for reliability. I'm Jason from Eiferer Home Automation. Don't forget to subscribe and stay switched on.